Considered one of the best places to live in Minnesota, Byron is a suburban city just minutes away from Rochester and the Mayo Clinic. But have you ever wondered what it costs to live there? Hello and welcome to my video channel. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty, and in this video we're going to talk about the cost of living in Byron, Minnesota. And I have the privilege here of being out at the beautiful Oxbow Park, so this is right in the heart of Byron and it's a great town, so let's talk all about it. But don't scoot out too early or you're going to miss my special tip when looking to relocate here. So let's stop wasting time and get started. So let's unravel the housing costs here in Byron, Minnesota. Imagine a wide spectrum of houses in Byron, with prices ranging from an accessible $150,000 to a luxurious $1.5 million. At the heart of this spectrum, the median home listing price nestles somewhere around $489,000, and this range paints a picture of a dynamic and diverse housing market here in Byron. Now let's put these numbers into perspective. If we consider the national housing cost as 100, Byron scales a bit higher at about 112, according to bestplaces.com. This indicates that Byron's housing costs are on average slightly above the national average. So whether you're looking for a cozy starter home or a sprawling estate, Byron's housing market offers a variety of options. But remember, the diversity comes with a price tag that's a slight notch above the national average. Let's shift gears a bit and cruise into transportation here in Byron. Picture this, a place where over 80% of the residents prefer to navigate their day-to-day life in the comfort, of course, of their own cars. That's Byron for you, and it's a testament to the car-centric lifestyle that really defines us. But let's talk numbers. The average gas price that fuels these journeys is around $3.22 a gallon. While this figure can fluctuate, it's a crucial part of the transportation budget for the residents here. But how does Byron fare in the transportation scorecard? Well, according to Best Places again, Byron clocks in at 76, trailing behind the national average of 100. This score reflects a variety of factors. It includes the commute times, public transit availability, and our walkability. Now, childcare is a significant consideration for many families here in Byron. The costs are clear. As of March 2024, the average hourly rate for childcare providers is $18.50. So let's break that down a little bit further. If childcare providers are working a standard 40-hour week, the weekly cost would be around $740. And you extend that over a month for about 130 hours of work, and you're looking at approximately $2,400 a month. These figures provide a little snapshot of the childcare costs in Byron, Minnesota. But remember, the actual costs can really vary based on factors such as the provider's experience, the number of children, availability, and specific services that they provide. Let's take a culinary journey now through the cost of living in Byron with some everyday items. General food items are just a smidge less than the national average. And in the realm of beer and alcohol, you'll pay less than average for these items. And for treats and desserts, well, those are again around the national average for these little indulgences. So whether you're planning a meal or you're just doing the weekly grocery shopping, this should help give you a flavor of the cost of living here in Byron, Minnesota. Now let's dig into the cost of utilities here in Byron, Minnesota. You're going to find the average monthly electrical and gas bills are around 9% less than the national average. So your cost for internet and TV is slightly less than the national average as well. So you factor in these essentials to live in Byron, you'll be pleasantly surprised at your savings. Now we're ready for my little special tip I promised earlier, and that's healthcare. Healthcare is a vital aspect of our lives, and the costs can significantly impact our living expenses. In Byron, there are very accessible options for healthcare, such as Olmsted Medical Center, Byron Eye Care, dental, chiropractic services, and many more to help bring healthcare closer to your doorstep. Eye care, general health care, and prescriptions are priced slightly above the national average, with dental coming in just under average. So if you're generalizing healthcare in Byron, it puts these costs right with the other nearby communities. So overall, it seems that the cost of living in Byron, Minnesota is relatively lower than the national average in its nearby local communities. So remember, these are averages. Actual costs can vary based on factors like insurance coverage and specific healthcare needs. If you'd like to know more about Byron, Minnesota, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos, and follow me on all of my socials. And if you especially liked this video, then make sure that you hit that like button and click on the boxes on your screen to see my other videos too. Comment down below, and if you have any questions, I will definitely make sure to answer them. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. We really love where we live, and we want you to love where you live too. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.